yesterday I've shown you how to watch shorts as normal video. That method still works and you can find the link to that video in the description. However, now I have found another method which is faster and easier. So all you got to do is to click on the comments, find any comments, then you should be able to see how many days, hours or minutes ago the comment was made. And if you would click on the time, it would automatically change the short video into a normal video. And if the video doesn't have any comments, then simply write your own comment as short as you want and then post your comment. And now you can see it says the comment was posted 0 seconds ago, but it doesn't matter. You can still click on it to change it into a normal video. Now you can easily double click on the short video to watch in full screen. You could easily navigate to any part of the video, and also it is much easier to comment on the video. But if you would click on another video that's in the short format, YouTube would make the format back to the short. Once again, click on the comments, write any comment if there is no other comments, and click on the time to go back to the normal video. Also, if you click on the gear icon, you could also select the quality of the video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.